You ever read something that just made no sense? Yeah, let's talk about how to fix that.
Okay, try following these instructions. Something seems a little off, right?
That would be a total disaster. The car would crash right down. The order is all wrong.
And that's exactly how your reader feels when your writing is all jumbled up.
But don't worry, there's a better way to do this. Let's think like a builder.
I mean, you can't just build a house in any random order, can you? It needs a plan.
Your topic sentence? That's the foundation. Everything else rests right on top of it.
You can't put the roof on before the walls. It has to be step by step, in the right order. And transition words? They're like the mortar holding all your ideas together. Super important.
Okay, let's try another one. What if your paragraph was, say, a recipe?
Yikes! Following these steps would just give you a scrambled, eggy mess.
See? Just like with cooking, the order of your ideas makes all the difference. This is where words like first, next, and finally come in. They're your secret weapon.
These are like signposts. They literally point your reader in the right direction.
So what's your most important job here? It's not just about having great ideas.
It's simple. You are the tour guide, and your reader is counting on you.
Your whole job is to lead them clearly from one idea to the next. Don't let them get lost.
So here's the bottom line. Clear, logical steps are what make your writing super clear.
So for your next piece of writing, what treasure map will you draw for your reader?